For lunch, we were accompanied by Ray Felix Rafos to White Fence Country Cafe, which is just 3 minutes trike ride from the airport. I met its owner, Mike Ordonez, and his lovely wife Giselle, together with their very cute son, who is so camera shy. White Fence Country Cafe serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, except on Mondays. It brings European country dining in Puerto Princesa, and I had a fool tasting almost all of their superb dishes. They also have the Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn, which is the home of White Fence Country Cafe. Mike and Giselle gave me a tour and showed me the different type of rooms Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn has, and I was very much impressed by the architectural designs, choice of colors, and interior decors of every room.
If you'll be passing through Puerto Princesa, we'd like to invite you to have a look at Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn. We're just 11-room bed and breakfast in a quiet part of Puerto Princesa, but we did just win 2014 TripAdvisor Award for Traveler's Choice and Certificate of Excellence. The Traveler's Choice Award was actually awarded only to 25 B&Bs and inns in the whole of the Philippines. The inn has a very quirky, homey ambience that makes for a one-of-a-kind experience. It also guarantees that at the end of a long day, you will be able to kick back and unwind. Even if you're not staying at Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn, we would also like to invite you to come and drop by White Fence Country Cafe, which is also part of the inn. Lots of locals have made it their go-to place for good old-fashioned burger.
Homey foods.
Homey foods.
Yeah, hopefully you guys like it.
Right. And since we're just 3 minutes away from the airport, it's really easy to drop by if you've just arrived in Puerto Princesa and you're starving, or if you have some time to kill before your flight takes off. Have a good time before leaving Puerto Princesa.
It beats waiting in the airport.
Okay, so White Fence Country Cafe is open from 10:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day except for Mondays. We hope to see you here or at Purple Fountain.
Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn and White Fence Country Cafe, highly recommended. When we come